Today we are going to see some problems on Laplace transform of some elementary function. So in the previous class itself I have told you what is the Laplace transform and what are all some basic formulas. So do you remember? So what is L of 1? So Laplace of 1 is nothing but 1 by s, and L of k is k by s, L of e power at is 1 by s minus a. So all the formulas I have given in the previous class. So in this class we are going to see a problem. Find the Laplace transform of t into e power minus 2t into sin 3t. So here three functions are involved. One is t, another one is e power minus 2t, and another one is sin 3t. So first let us solve for t and next for sin 3t, and finally we replace s by s plus 2 for the e power minus 2t. So here we are dealing with three cases. So let me consider the first one. So all of you remember what is L of t? So what is Laplace transform of t? What is the formula? This is nothing but n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. Similarly, what is Laplace transform of e power minus 2t? So if it comes minus sign, you have to replace s by s plus 2. This is it. So L of e power minus at is given by 1 by s plus a. So here our a value is minus 2. Therefore 1 by s plus 2 is our answer. Similarly, the third portion L of sin 3t. So what is the formula for sin 3t? So L of sin at is nothing but a by s square plus a square. If it is suppose L of cos at, you have to write that s by s square plus a square. So in this case, what is the answer? So this is nothing but our a is 3. So 3 divided by s square plus 3 square, that is 9. So these are all the Laplace transform for the separate functions. Now let us consider the original problem. So what is the problem? L of t into e power minus 2t into sin 3t. So which is equal to, so for t we are using here the multiplication rule. So for the multiplication rule, what we write? So this is minus d by ds of n of the remaining terms. So remaining terms is our f of t, that is n of e power minus 2t into sin 3t. So this minus d by ds came from the factors Laplace transform of t, that is using multiplication rule. So which is equal to minus d by ds of, this can also be shortened as n of sin 3t, where s tends to s plus 2. This term changes because of the function e power minus 2t. Since we have e power minus 2t, finally we are going to replace s by s plus 2. So already we know the Laplace transform of sin 3t. So I have written that. What is L of sin 3t? So that is nothing but 3 divided by s square plus 9. And finally we can replace s by s plus 2. So let me differentiate this. So when you differentiate this, what you get? Minus of, you can either use the u by t rule, or simply you can bring this to the numerator and can solve the problem. So I am doing the second one. So when this comes to the numerator, it will be, let us take this d outside. So d by ds of s square plus 9 the whole inverse. So which is equal to minus 3 into, so what is the differentiation of x power n? Differential of x power n is nothing but n into x power n minus 1. So in the place of n we are having minus 1. So in this case minus 1 into s square plus 9 whole power minus 1 and minus 1 into differentiation of s square we get as 2s. So which is equal to minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. And this comes to the denominator. So s square plus 9 the whole square into 2s. So our answer is 3 into 2, 6s divided by s square plus 9 the whole square. But we have to replace in the final s by s plus 2. It is not for e power minus 2t, you have to replace s by s plus 2. So which is equal to 6 into s plus 2 divided by s plus 2 the whole square